Well done. Here we got solving for x. And we have got x to the power of 2 over 30 minus x to the power of 1 over 30 minus 2 equal to 0. Yes. So we need to find the value of x. How? First of all, here we need to check our exponents. First term, we got 2/3. And the second term, we got 1/3. Which means the exponent of the first term is double of the exponent of second term. What does it mean? Yes, we have quadratic equation that we need to solve. We're gonna therefore say x to the power of 230 can be rewritten as x to the power of 130 all square minus x to the power of 130 minus 2 equal to 0. Now you are done. So, using our knowledge of factorizing quadratic equation, I will just make it much easier and put y in place of x over raised to the power of 1 over 3. So if I put y there, we will have something like this: y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now it's easier to factorize and solve it for y. Therefore, this will be, so we have the constant term minus 2. So how can we get using the factors of minus 2 in order to get the coefficient of y, -1? The factors of minus 2 can be -1 times 2. So if we use this one, do you think we can get, if we add -1 and 2, can this give us -1? No, it's going to give us +1. Okay, let's change the sign and say 1 times -2. Will this give us the coefficient of x, of y, which is -1? Yes, because -2 plus 1 gives us -1. Therefore, our factors of y square minus y minus 2 equals 0 will be y minus 2 times y plus 1. You are done. Now, put each factor equal to 0 in order to solve it for y. And y plus 1 equal to 0. Now if we solve it too, our y equals 2 or our y equals -1. These are the two solutions we got for our y. Now, let's take our exponential equation, which is x raised to the power of 1 over 3, and then say equal to, first solution to 2, or let's say x to the power of 1 over 3 equal to -1. Now, we need to work it out to find the x. How do we do this? Yes, we must have power equal to power. We're gonna therefore raise to both sides the reciprocal of the exponent of the exponential equation, the x. So we're gonna say x raised to the power of 1 over 3, put in bracket, and raised to 3 over 1 equals 2 to the power of 3, which simplifies x to the power of 1 over 3 times 3 over 1 equals 2 to the power of 3. Cancel out. Then we're gonna get the x simplifies to x to the power of 1. That 1 we don't normally write. It's called a ghosty 1. And this equals 2 cubed. Please simplify to 8. So we find our x equals 8. Solution number 1. Well done. On the other side, we have got x to the power of 1/3 equals to -1. So let's work it out. So if we raise to both sides, the reciprocal exponent, if we raise 3/1 and the -1 gets raised 3, we got x equals -1 to the power of 3, which gives us -1 times -1 times -1 and gives us our x equals -1. So our two solutions, x equals 8 or x equals -1. Never get tired. Keep it working systematically. Then you're gonna get to the right answer. Thank you.